Hi everyone, my name is Sage Wellington and I am for Viana Care. Today I'm going to be showing you how I use the Glow BB Ampoule. The Glow BB Ampoule is a meso brightening and skin tone-up solution. So I'm going to be using the Glow BB Ampoule with my Dr. Pen today. The Dr. Pen is a microneedling system. So you're going to use this at a depth of 1 to 2 millimeters deep. And what the Glow BB Ampoule is going to do is help to brighten your skin, even out your skin tone. It is full of peptides, so it's great for anti-aging, and it also helps to conceal blemishes or dark spots on your face. So that sounds like something I am all about. The Glow BB has been one of my favorite products so far, so I'm very excited to share how to use it with you all. Okay, so first and foremost, I am going to put on my gloves. My hands have been freshly cleaned. You always want to make sure you are being extremely sanitized when you are working, especially with needles. Okay, so now that my gloves are on, I'm going to just be using a few alcohol pads to cleanse and disinfect my face. Of course, I don't have any makeup on. I am actually fresh out of the shower. So my face has been freshly washed, and now I am using alcohol to disinfect all over. So when you receive your Glow BB Ampoules, you are going to have 10 different vials inside, and they have 7 millimeters inside of each vial. My next step is going to be setting up my Dr. Pen. I like to use the BB Ampoules with a 36 needle tip. I'm going to push that right through. You always want to make sure your needles are sterile, fresh out of the packaging. All you want to do is pop that right into the Dr. Pen and take off the cap. After your Dr. Pen is turned on, you can set the depth that you like. I have it at a 1.5 millimeter depth. So this is what the bottle looks like here. All I'm going to do is pop off the cap, and I'm going to take off that rubber seal. So what I like to do is just take a little bit in my fingers and work it in small areas at a time. So I'm going to start on my forehead, move my hair out of the way, and pour a little bit into my hands and start to rub that in the area. You want to work in sections so that the product does not dry as you are working. You also want the Dr. Pen to have enough slip so that you're not dragging the needles across your skin. Alright, so I think I got enough on. I am going to turn on my Dr. Pen and then put it on speed 3 so that I know the needles are moving fast. And I'm just going to start in circles and also do cross-hatch motions, which are up and down. So it is required to do this in sessions just so that you are building up your results, and once you reach the desired results and coverage from the product that you like, you may see results for up to a year from this product. It can help to conceal, but it also has great ingredients like copper peptide. It's also a pretty common question if microneedling is painful, and at the shallower depths it definitely doesn't hurt. The deeper you go, of course, the more you may feel. Okay, so I have finished my forehead. I'm going to repeat the exact same steps, pouring a little bit of this into my fingertips. And I'm going to start on my cheeks, like my upper cheek, a little bit under the eye, and then I'll come down and do my lower face. I am going to leave the serum on my forehead What I like to do is just rub it in a little bit so that it can penetrate deeper into those fresh microneedle punctures. Just make sure when you microneedle under your eye that you change the depth to a little bit more shallow. That skin there is 10 times more thin than the rest of your face, so you just want to be extra careful around your eye. Okay, once again, turning on my pen and setting it at speed 3. I'm going to start by the temple so that I can connect the forehead down to the cheeks. You want to make sure you don't miss any areas on your face so that it all gets the treatment. If you feel like your product has dried out a little bit as you're working, definitely feel free to grab more. You want that extra slip when you're working with microneedling. To make sure that the pen is gliding very smoothly. Alright, so now that I have finished my entire face with microneedling the Glow BB Ampoule, I'm going to take some of the rest that is inside and pat it on and press it into my face. You want to press it just so that it is going into all those micro channels that you just created. Now you're getting the full effects of the ampoule and all the peptides. Okay guys, so the very last step that I like to do is finish off this procedure with a sheet mask. I am using the Vitalizing Red Ginseng Essence Mask. So it helps with fatigued skin, which is definitely my case. So I'm going to put this on and let it sink into my face along with the BB Glow. Alright, this is the sheet mask here. I'm going to lay it on my face. And this feels so good in general, but especially after microneedling. It's normal to have a little bit of like a stinging or a feeling like that just because you did do a little microneedling. But this is my new look. So I'm going to leave this on my face for about 30 minutes or so. I like to leave it on as long as I can. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more or future sessions from me, go ahead and check out my channel on YouTube. It's called Sage Wellington. So head over there, like and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.